Welcome fellow Toastmasters and guests. There's something interesting about the human brain. You know, the human brain begins to work the moment you're born and never stops to work. It never stops to work until you have to get on the stage to speak. Even the most experienced speakers get nervous. In fact, if you happen to come here at about, you're all aware that, we all have fear of speaking in public. So if you happen to come here at about like 6:15 or 6:20, you don't even have to look at the board to know who's coming on the stage and who's not. You can just tell that by the shake of a hand. Those whose hands are warm are not getting on the stage. Those whose hands are cold and sweaty, they're getting on the stage today. But the good news is, we can look at the stage fear right into its eyes, and that mode is table topics. Table topics, and the good news is that you have to do that only for 2 minutes. Table topics has 4 very, very simple steps. Number 1, you come on the stage once your name is called. Number 2, you come, read out the topic which is given to you on the chit to the audience. Number 3, and the most simple, speak on the topic for just about 2 minutes. It might happen that after 1 minute you run out of thoughts. But remember, persevere. Demonstrate and use the word of the day. And 4, once you finish, go back to your seat on a roaring applause. Okay? So, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Are you ready to calm down? Okay? So, fellow Toastmasters and guests, put your hands together for the first participant to take on the challenge and look at this fear right into its eyes, Toastmaster Vaidyanathan.